I'm doing. This one is really cool because it's on a glow-in-the-dark glitters right there. It's gonna be so stunning. You have it like glow-in-the-dark underneath of your crystal placements. So don't forget to add the top coat. No wipe top coat. You can add glitter top coat, no wipe glitter top coat. It comes with rose gold and silver. If you want one of them, instead of just a clear top coat, or if you want a matte top coat on the finish, you are going to apply the matte top coat instead of the shiny top coat. They have so many. I'm gonna put it here. But it's my super cute. I don't know how the rose gold looks different on the under camera though. It doesn't do adjusted at all. If you have like 4 color kits with the rose gold, or if you are if you have one of the pack of a crystal pack from using a rose gold, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. They're totally stunning and they're so different. Oh, still. Done. I'm going to get that one. Maybe that one. I'm gonna do that one down right there. So if you feel like you want to change the precision of your frame or your crystal, just simply using your tweezer. I usually using my tweezers and pick it up so it won't mess up my condensed glue gels underneath. So I'm place that, in this case, I do 2 pieces as my centerpiece. This one looks so beautiful in person, the rose gold. I'm using a Supreme's rose gold frame. And I am going to add more frame. I love this rose gold. This is so beautiful. It looks weird under camera though. It looks like no colors. Or it's dark color, but you gotta get one like in the hand to experience it. Is exactly what I am mentioned, like I talked about. It doesn't look like it looks so different in person. Totally looks so beautiful. It doesn't, maybe because it's so light, not light, but light, therefore oh my goodness. Just China, just talking about velvet cake. Then I want velvet cake. I like sweet stuff. I never not liking the sweets. China, I want that cake. The velvet is so delicious. Soft. So many people birthday in this month. I'm so happy. You'll be all either Pisces or what others? Pisces next. Pisces is I'm just talking about the zodiac size. I'm so happy with this. I just need just some smaller one. There you go. So adorable. You can stop right here if you want to, or you can add beads on. I like the beads on though. I'm gonna add it between crystals or between frames. Between frames and crystal, or between a frame and frames, between crystal and crystals. You never go wrong with that. Great. If you're happy with this, we're all going to cure for 60 seconds. Looks really good though.